There's a certain magic in repetition, don't you agree? Like leaves falling every autumn, and like the rhythm of waves meeting the shore. Well, art too has its seasons and its patterns and its cycles. As artists, we often grapple with the weight of perfection. We want our work to be meaningful, flawless, worthy. But here's the truth. Worthiness does not come from perfection. It comes from showing up and from trying and from embracing the process. I don't find repetition boring. It's a cornerstone of growth. So every leaf I paint teaches me something. Maybe it's how water flows across the paper. Maybe it's how colours blend when they meet. Or maybe it's just simply the joy of creating without any judgment. Each stroke of the brush is a step forward from my point of view, and every mistake is a lesson in disguise. You're building muscle memory, refining your eye, and nurturing your soul every time you paint something. Art doesn't demand perfection from us. It asks for patience, curiosity, and love. And here's a beautiful thing. Even if you don't see it right now, you are growing. Every moment spent creating adds to your journey. The work you do today, even if it feels small or unimportant, is a foundation for tomorrow. So if you ever feel unworthy, just remember this. The act of creating is enough. You are enough. Your art, your effort, and your presence, it all matters. So keep painting, keep drawing, keep experimenting. Let this repetition be your guide and your comfort. With every leaf that you create, you're not just making art, you are becoming an artist. And remember, you don't need anyone's permission to call yourself an artist. You already are one. So pick up that brush and let's paint another leaf. We can do it together.